Hello, welcome again today. Uh, I want me to go through these loops, conditions, and passing. This is a very interesting topic. So I want me go through it. Want me to show you how you can handle this kind of project and go down to the projects and do two, three, four tasks so that you can know how to tackle this kind of project. This 0x04 loops, conditions, and passing is very interesting because here this is where we are going to know how to create an SSH RSA key pair. What does it mean by SSH? This is secure shell. This is secure shell RSA key pair. So, in order to tackle these kind of tasks, you have to go through these resources. These two, for the Linux, Mac OS users. Okay, I'm not interested in this Linux because most of us will use Windows. We are Windows users. So, after you have gone through these resources, Linux, Mac, then you come to Windows users here. Let it open. It's loading. Okay, now, this generate RSA key with SSH. SSH means secure shell by using put chain. Okay, you go through these resources down, generate keys, Windows put chain. So for the Windows, they have there's the put chain is already installed in the Windows, so there is no need to download it again. So this put chain is something you have to download. You have to download this put download so that it can be installed in your machine, so that you can generate this SSH RS RSA key. So no need to download this one. So you go down, you use the key pairs, you go down, you go through these resources very carefully. Yeah, you go very carefully through these resources. Okay. Now I want to be fast to go to the tasks for the questions. I've already done them. These are the questions. I have already done. I have already done with the questions. I think there are around 42 questions, but I have done. No need to go to those questions because they are simple. So first, I want to dive immediately. I want to dive into the how to create secure shell RSA key pair. How to create this SSH RS key pair. Okay, these are the requirements. You will soon have to manage your own servers, concept page hosted on remote data centers. We need to set them up with your RS public key so that you can access them via secure share. Create a RSA key pair. These are the requirements in order to create this key pair RSA. This is field is public yes in the okay. I know the elect student know what the internet is. Their profile, they know where they can put their SSH key, RSA key. Okay. First, I want you to show you how you can create this public key, SSH key, public key. Okay. What you can do first to create this key? These are very, very important key. And this key, you have to keep it very, very, very in a very secure place so that anybody, if somebody else can access it, you can go to your crowd server and do some mess in your crowd server. So you have to keep this secure shell RSA key in a very secure place. That's why we're advised to keep it in the internet. That's why we're advised to go and save it so that anytime you need it, you can get it from there very easily. So I want me first to show you how to create this SSH key, RSA key. Okay, what you do, the first step, you go, you open what we call the PowerShell from your Windows. You come and open what we call the PowerShell. This is the PowerShell. This is the PowerShell. This is the PowerShell. Now, when you have opened this the PowerShell, let me go into the desktop. CD desktop. And you see, now we are in the desktop. Okay, when you have reached here, what you can do is now, or let me share this one. I need to share this PowerShell. This is the PowerShell. Okay, now my PowerShell is shared. I told you not to dive into the. This is now the PowerShell. Now your PowerShell is now open. So what can you do next? You go to this Alex. This is the task. Here you are. You type SSH kitchen. Come here, you type SSH kitchen. This is SSH kitchen. You enter. As you can see here, enter the file generating public private RSA key pair. Enter the file name to save in the key. Then you enter again. Wait. Okay. It's saying, if you can see here, of let me. It's saying RSA already exists. Why is it saying like this? Because I have already created my RSA key. Already have it. So if I want to write, if I want to write it again, I come here and say yes. You see, yes or no stroke N. So I say let me overwrite. I want to create another one, but I'm not going to save it. I'm not going to use it anywhere. So I enter. Press enter the paraphrase or no empty for no. So the paraphrase is like a password. So then you enter the paraphrase again. You enter. Now this is my these are my RIC RC. This is my key. This is very important. this one here. This is my key. Already it has generated my key. Okay, where does this key, this key is being stored in your identification? If you can see this line here, if you can see this line here, this one, it is saying your identification has been saved in C. Go to your go to your go to your go to your PS. Oops, go to my this PS. Go to this PS. Yes, you open. So here, local disk C. Okay, that's the PS. This is local disk C. This is where the our is being stored. It's being stored here. Okay. Come here. Let me share this screen also so that you can know how you can get your kitchen to share. So I want to share let me share to share also this one and this one to share my windows also. Just to show you how you can check where your kitchen is being. Okay, here we are. So you come here. Let's go back. Whoa, back. This is where you can come here. This is your identification has been saved in C. So you come and I want me to show you how you can check. You highlight from here up to this place. You copy. After copying, you come here. You paste here. Okay. You enter. You see? Now this is your key here. Come this way. You make sure you open with you open not all open with the notepad. This is your key. This is the key that you have generated. This is the key that we have already generated. Okay. Now you take your key, you go, you save it somewhere. Me, I usually save it in my intranet. And I'll not open my intranet, but I'll show you where I can save it. Okay, here we have. Now this is our key. This is our key for RSA. This is our key from here. So as when we have our key already, we have our key. What next? What we can do now is we go back to the question. This is the question now. Here we are. So what does the question is asking us to do? This is the Alex Rebel, the Fox directory. This is the directory, and this is the file. Now, this file, this the we are going to save the key that we have generated in this file. So, these keys cannot be the same. If you follow the same procedure, you will get your own key, and that key is the one that you are going to put in this file. This or RSA underscore public underscore key dot pub. This one here. So let me go to my sandbox. But for now, I'm using this. PowerShell because my sandbox is like has problems. So here we are. So let me open my PowerShell. I'm going to use them SSH secure shell in this. Okay, instead of using the instead of using the sandbox, I'm going to use the PowerShell today for today. So this is the how you can. This is the how to use the PowerShell. This is asking for the password. You come here. This is the password here. You copy. You go back. You right click. Then you enter. You see. Now we are in this root. Okay, cd root enter. Now we are in this PowerShell, but in this root. Okay, let me clear my screen so that you can see it clearly. Okay, now cd. This is the. I want me to share my. This is my. I want me to share my PowerShell. This is my PowerShell. This is my PowerShell. share my PowerShell here. Yes, here we are. This is my PowerShell. I have shared my PowerShell. So I want me to start tackling the tasks one by one so that you can see. So we go to LX. Now remember this is LX System Engineering DevOps. Here we are. Here we enter. Then we create this directory. This directory here. This is the directory. This is the directory. This is the directory. You enter. Okay. Let me see the files that we have. The first, before you do anything, you have to create a readme.md. It's a mandatory. So the first file I want to create is this this file called ors public key. This is the remember this the key that we have created before. We go, the one that I've showed you how to create it. Yeah, this okay. Here we are. This is my public key. It's not very good to show it all because this is a very private thing. Some people, some hackers, if they see this key, hey, it's very dangerous. They will access my crowd server, which is very dangerous. So I quit it. So, but you will have your own key, the same key, but your own. The keys will not be the same. So when you have done this one, you see we have created that file. You come here, you ls. You see the file. We have the file here. This is the file. After you have done the start with, you change mode, you execute, then you git hard. Okay, let me show you. You change mode. It's u plus x. This is the file. Enter. Now you have executed it. Then you git add, git commit, git commit, git commit. You enter. Then git push. You git push, git push. Now, if you go to the checker, if you check the code, let me check this code. You see, everything is okay. Congratulations, you have passed this. Now I go to the second one, the first one I mean, for pest school loop. This for pest school loop. You come here, you copy this file. Okay, remember the first question is you have to write the RSA key that you have generated in this file. That's what we are going to write in this file. But the second one is asking us To write a bash script that displays the best score 10 times. Requirement: you must use the for loop, while, or until are forbidden. So you have to write you write the bash script that display the best score 10 times. These are the requirements. So I will go to our sandbox VI. You write the best score 10 times. You write the bash script. Here we are. Copy. I come here to my PowerShell. This one. Now, for this task, this is the code that you have to embed in that task. I think you can see this is the bin bash. This is the first line. 10 times, yeah. Okay. You come here, you quit. The same thing you git add, you pass to execute, or I've already executed them. You git add, unless you see it is here. You write all the files one by one, and then you check. Automatic, the checker will be get it correct. Let me see the one. I want to check. Yeah, everything is correctly done. So you go for the next one, number two. You go to number three. You go to number four. You go to number five. You go to number six, number seven, number eight, number nine, and number 10. Then you can open the, the advanced one. I think the advanced one are around four questions also. You do them. You follow the same procedure that I've shown you. That's when you can get the check, get the the questions correctly. So what I can urge you is, first you have to read it. You go through the resources carefully. After you have gone through the resources, as well now you can be able to tackle the tasks without any problem. So please, before I continue, please you can go to the subscription button. You subscribe. That's how my this channel grows, so that I can make more and more videos. Thank you for watching and have a lovely evening.